Hello and welcome to Planet. Today we are going to make a monthly planner for the month of the April. So for this I have taken a circular cardboard and made this half circle on the top. For this month I am just going to use the green leaves and the mango theme for this month. So for that I am using only the black color pen and the green and the yellow color sketch pens. So if you are not good at drawing like me, first use your pencil to draw your own design and then use your pens or sketch pens. So here at the bottom of the page I am just drawing the mango shape, mango mandalas. So this is the cover page of this month. So for each and every month you have a cover page and the other following pages as per your needs. So the right side I made the quotes page which would help you motivate. So the next page is the monthly planner. So here you make a calendar of each and every month, and this is very helpful because here you can write down all your important dates to remember, like appointments, birthdays, festivals or any due dates which you need to remember. So that way this is most important and helpful. I am also copying the same design from the previous page to this page. So for this month the theme is the green leaves and the mangoes. So the same way you can also make your own themes for each and every month. This is one of the simplest planner I have made. Here for the calendar I didn't make any boxes. Making the boxes also takes time. So I just made some lines and then that's it. And the leaves is one of the easiest design that anyone can do. So the next page is for the habit tracker. So here I am just cutting down the few small cardboard piece, so that ways I can draw it very easily and quickly. Being in this competitive world, we need so much of time to make all these kind of stuff. So all the time you need to figure out your own ideas to how to design. So the same way you can, I am also using the stencils. You can find out whichever way is easier, but I don't want you to spend so much of time in designing these planners. The only concept of planner is to keep you organized, not to keep you occupied. So this is the simplest design that I have made in my planner, and most of my planners are very simple and very easy. If you can go and check out my other planners. I also made planners about this monthly planners, study planners, and there are a lot more. Please do check out. And this is a weekly planner for, so each and every week, sorry, every month you need to have 4 weeks. So similarly you do the same for the rest other pages. Hope you like this idea. Like, share and subscribe to Planet and stay tuned. Bye bye.